The social media is an industry of its own all over the world. It is a tool that has made the world a global village. While it is used for connecting with people, ideas, businesses all over the world, we want to show you how you can make good legal money while flexing on social media. With that, we welcome you to Dynasty Virtual Staff Tutorial. So, what is Dynasty Virtual Staff? Dynasty Virtual Staff (DVS) is a program owned by Footprint Dynasty Limited, where anyone, anywhere can work for the company at their own pace, place, and time, irrespective of their location and status, whether employed or unemployed. So, who is a virtual staff? A virtual staff is one who works online for Footprint Dynasty Limited and earns money, incentives, and promotions while doing so. What is the work of a virtual staff? The work of a virtual staff is categorized into two. 1. He or she works as a marketer, and 2. As a freelancer. As a marketer, he or she is involved in social media advertisement, hunting for investors, ticket adverts and selling, event adverts, referring others to join Dynasty Virtual Staff. Also, he or she is involved in affiliate marketing, grading of scripts, conducting contests, suggesting organizations to be part of our programs, and others as they emerge. 2. And as a freelancer, he or she can produce jingles, design graphics, edit videos, proofread documents, mark contents, carry out artisanship in bricklaying, sculpture, tiling, etc., etc. But the good thing is, virtual staff can work as both marketer and freelancer at the same time with same rewards. Now, understanding the virtual staff. How do I become a virtual staff? To become a virtual staff, you must have a smartphone or laptop with internet connection. You must be an active social media user, be it Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube, etc., etc. Be ready to work 1 to 3 hours daily using those gadgets. Have great passion to succeed. Then register at bit.ly/DynastyVStaff. Am I considered a staff of the company? Yes, on a part-time basis. But when promoted, you become a full-time staff with your approval. Earnings. How do I earn as a virtual staff? When you register and start performing tasks. Tasks? What are these tasks? The tasks are categorized into 1. Daily tasks with a point value of 0.5 units. 2. Priority tasks with a point value of 2.0 units. And 3. Referral with a point value of 1.0. So, what are these daily tasks? Daily tasks include all the tasks for the day. Then priority tasks include the highest paid tasks for the week, and it comes with incentives. Referral. This includes inviting others to join Dynasty Virtual Staff. How do I perform daily tasks? Access the daily tasks by logging on to bit.ly/DynastyVStaff and click on daily tasks. There you will see a list of available tasks. To earn more money, you need to perform more tasks. How much can I make in a week? That totally depends on you, but active users of the service can make up to 20,000 naira a week. What is then point value? Point value is the point equivalent of the task done. This in turn determines how much you get per point, and over time determines your promotion in the company. So, more tasks done means more point values, which means more promotions and benefits. How do I cash out my money? You must activate your account after registration. Note, you can be earning before activating your account, but to cash out, you need to activate your account with 1,000 naira, refundable 12 hours after registration. Also, you start having point values when you activate your account. You must also have a bank account where your earnings, incentives, and benefit is paid to. So to activate your account, you also need to visit bit.ly/DV registration, promotion and benefits. While working for Footprint Dynasty Limited as a virtual staff, you get promoted based on your point values that you have accumulated over time. To start with, upon registration, you enter Footprint Dynasty Limited V-Staff as a dummy member, which your benefit is that you start working and earning. Then you move on to rookie. As a rookie, you activate your account with 1,000 naira. The benefit you get are those you get as a dummy, plus you can be able to cash out your earnings and your point value starts accumulating. Then you move on to semi-pro, which means you have to accumulate 250 total point values. You get your previous benefits plus 10,000 naira monthly salary. Then you move on to pro, which it means you have to have 650 total point values. You get your previous benefit plus 30,000 naira monthly. Then you move on to veteran, which means you have to accumulate 1,300 total point values. You get your previous benefit plus 50,000 naira monthly salary. Then you move on to expert, which means you have to accumulate 2,100 total point values. You get your previous benefit. You get your previous benefit plus 80,000 naira monthly salary. Then, wait for it, you move on to master, which means you accumulate 3,700 total point values, which comes with your previous benefit plus 120,000 naira monthly salary plus official car. Then you move on to legend, which means you have to accumulate 7,000 total point values. You get your previous benefits plus 200,000 naira monthly salary plus house fund. These and many more are the benefits you stand to gain working as a virtual staff for Footprint Dynasty Limited. So, let's look at some questions that you may have, which is, how do I perform daily tasks? You simply need to visit the site at bit.ly/Dynasty V Staff and click on the daily tasks. You may also ask, how many tasks can I do in a day? You can do as much as possible. Remember, the more points you accumulate, the more money you make, and the better your promotion. When do I get paid? You may also ask. We pay our staffs every 2 weeks. Must I activate my account before I start working? No, you can start working before you activate your account. During that time, you can earn through task completion, but you can't earn point value. You would have to activate your account either through the deduction from your earning or direct payment from you before cashing out. Is there anyone to assist me? Yes. You'll be assigned to a manager. He or she will help you understand how to work effectively. Must I have a social media account? You must have at least one social media account. Is my activation fee refundable? Yes, if requested within 12 hours of registering. How are incentives calculated? Incentives are calculated and awarded based on merit. Staff who would merit incentive must be active and must have participated in at least 4 priority tasks. How do I know my earnings? You simply check the dashboard or ask your manager for the statement of your account. Okay, I think the next question you might want to ask is, how legitimate is VStaff? It is a registered company with address and contact, and you are also dealing with real people. It is not Ponzi scheme where you pay a certain amount to someone and expect others to pay you for doing nothing. Here, you are paid based on the task performed. You are basically working and getting paid, even working with real people in a real venue and also with real contact. So, if you have further questions or you want to contact us for more information, kindly call the following numbers: 0813 600 9378 or 07018 464901, or send us an email at footdine@gmail.com, or simply visit bit.ly/Dynasty VStaff. You can reach us on Facebook at Dynasty Virtual Staff, and also on our YouTube channel, that is Dynasty TV NG. So just remember to subscribe to this channel, Dynasty TV NG, and also don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles and platforms, because more information will be rolled out on a daily basis. And also remember, all these things you do as a virtual staff, they also accumulate as point values for you and earnings for you as well. So when you like, when you comment, when you share, when you post, you're making money for yourself as a virtual staff. We hope this tutorial has been able to help you to understand how Dynasty Virtual Staff works. See you again next time.